one oyinbo lady don't cause wahala inside the aeroplane. No, the aeroplane where they go Milan. This woman just come there, start to cause wahala because of say wetin happen. They say wear your nose mask well. Oh, now the auntie burst. Start to fight everybody. Say why they go tell her make she wear the nose mask well. When she said no, say since when corona don't dey, now everybody start to wear this nose mask. Make una watch this video.
Quali sono i problemi? Quali sono i problemi? A me delle persone quali sono i problemi? Tu sei solamente uno steward. Only, ok? Quali sono i problemi? Quali sono? No, la bocca, allora stiamo in un paese democratico, io parlo ok? Cosa fai? Cosa fai? Cosa tutto
finisce male oggi.
And I don't see as this woman just scatter everywhere, start to speak Italian. Wahala for who no hear Espanol, they speak. See how she just speak and they curse everybody. This kind of woman, in fact, this woman supposed to be a show the woman. In fact, this color they use and cover body. Because of say we had no, she fights the attendant. She can't even spit for people body. Some people when they just be drama queen. See how she even dress herself. This kind of person said they can't allow him enter inside the plane. Wear nose mask. Well, this thing have not be anything we had. All of us know say yes, this thing they buy somebody for ear. But just manage them. If you know say you know if you wear them, sit down for your house now. They force you make you travel. But as Oyinbo people be, and I know say them they take rubbish. As she come outside do all her kurukere wahala. Now so police self don't they wait for her. As the plane just land gidigbam. Now so themselves carry her. No be everywhere we go. We won't go show power, we won't go fight. Because you be Italian, me say waiting. On a sabi fight, na sabi do wahala. As it be like this, be at a police station, be as she go pay. I don't know how she go take down. But they don't arrest her. And some of us, we dey guilty of all this kind of thing. You go church, they go tell you say, wear nose masks, you no go gree. Enter bank, wear nose masks, you no go gree. Enter bus, wear nose mask, now wahala for you. You're supposed to even do law, say anybody will never wear this thing. Maybe they catch them. All of us they believe say corona no dey Nigeria. Yes, this Oyinbo people they know say this thing dey their land, but still they find it hard to wear. Which kind of wahala come be this one now? If on our way they prone on our bodies of nine, they quick get them. And I don't want green wear them. What in a come what make we blacks? What be any smart we don't go drink agbo jadi. We don't dey fine. Do. Now wow, but this matter be now we don't see say where they in different colors. No be until you black. Now you go know say you be weary. Or in both self get their own weary. And this whole public this if you know say you know if you wear this thing, this nose mask, no come outside in public. Sit down inside your house. No travel. They don't tell you say if you know if you wear them. Sit down for you dey even put yourself at risk. Because they talk say this thing if you near person will get them, you don't catch them. So maybe she dey look say she don't do the test now, she no get and I make her go fit enter plane. They misbehave anyhow. But as she do like this, the thing over wrong. Just wear them say because of say they don't put law. Say make we wear them. Now here I go stop this matter. Make now no forget to comment about this whole matter where this woman do. Then make now no come forget self to like, share and also subscribe. I go see you now for our next story. Nothing where person know they see for this Nigeria. One police officer don't extort one man where they call Mr. Oluwaseun of 100,000 naira because of say waiting. They say the man too fresh. I never hear self reach say person over fresh when be say they go collect money for your hand. But as this matter be, this man talk say they stop him for Ring Road where him and him brother they inside motor they come from him friend place. Now get they call him say make him calm down. As they call him down, they just they ask him, you know, police and all these their mumu questions. Make I even first look this man. I beg what's fresh about this man because I don't see anything. That means if all these Abuja big boys, Abi Lagos big boys, don't come outside. That means town go scatter. Ibadan people, if not the freshest person waiting for Ibadan be this, it means say all of them for that Ibadan be like say, oh, I don't get money. Something they worry for that Ibadan. This man now, he talk say police stop him. As they stop him, they check in cars. They don't see anything. They ask him for him papers. They check everything they complete. Then one officer, what they call Mr. Benjamin, go ask him say, what do you do for a living? This man come tell am say him be estate firm something. Behind they sell estate, behind they build estate things. They come say, okay, Oga, bring your phone. The man say, lie, why you go give them phone? Because yes, you get every right. Why police go just stop your documents complete, say, he won't check your phone. Share this man like this, he resemble Yahoo boy for an eye. I mean, if I see Yahoo boy and I know they know them. The man say, no, go give them his phone. They come threaten this man, say, they go kill him and his brother. This man no still shake, instant or she. Say, no, they move, go anywhere. Anything they don't do, make they do them. They can't go carry shocker. In another this way, say they put on for your body, you go shock. Before the man can't grill, he can't give them his phone. As they open this phone, they don't even see anything inside. Now they can't accuse him, say him be fraudster, say him too fresh to be a builder. You know shock on that? Person too fresh to be a builder. I beg, I know where the freshness there now. I know they see any. See this man where then hit rashes. Don't finish all in face. And I can't say this man too fresh. Now wow, the man can't say anyway. As they hold him, they can't say before they go release him, make him pay 1 million. 1 mil waiting. What? Now so they pick money for grant. Say he negotiate, talk. They can't say yeah, bring 5. I don't know say police station don't turn to marketplace. So be say you go to buy tomato, you go to price them. Anyways, they negotiate. They say 500. He say him no get to. They can't say I make him pay 100,000. This 100,000 safe. Now by force they used to collect this money because his younger brother hold this money. Say he won't go pay this money for bank as in school fees money. Now there then this police can't use their thief way collect this money for this man hand though. You know it's quite even shock me. The police won't collect his phone number, give him his phone number safe. Say if the man need any assistance from police, make the man call him. After you thief me, make I come call you. I be mumu. I know two get sense. So be say you don't thief me finish. I will come call you say police. I got police. I need help. This one then you go collect all my money within my account. All of us know so this our police. They be thief. Thief they their blood. You see the time when they protest say NSAS. People think say na joke, but all these people they do them. Personally, go me I don't even experience them. They always do. They will come meet you, behave like saying you do something. Nothing where you do. They will just stop you for no reason. But all this whole thing, the money where they collect now, as this matter be like this, why this man want to pay his brother's school fees back? They supposed to fire this Mr. Benjamin, make they arrest him because forget say you be police, so forget say you be police. How you go just go meet person saying the person too fresh? I don't know say offense don't dey now. Make Nigerians if like say we go write new law, make we know the new law. If you wear chain, they go arrest you. Say you be Yahoo boy. You use iPhone, they arrest you. What now Nokia touchlight have been a palace and more they use before now go they okay for this Nigeria. And all these police go look them. Their families they okay, they fresh. Now we come this life come suffer abi. But as the police bill, as the matter be like this police me I feel say they suppose hold them. Because I know saying go still like make they hold them. Make him return this money. Either they don't share them or anything they do with this money, make they return this man money for them. Because this man self is the only person will be say if you even give him. In fact, if you give him extra money, say him go collect. The man say no. Wait, I be they do mistake. Let's say they do mistake with the freshness picture. Let's say the police officer now be this. The person way fresh. Let's they no post the picture because this kind thing it dey shock me. Now wow, APC regime. That means if you over fresh, now see no. As the matter be like this, making a comment or anything when I feel about this whole matter where they go on, making a comment and making a no forget say we get hot story, better story for now. As we were giving us the hot, making a no forget to subscribe, like and share. I go to see you now for our next story. Now wow, this kind matter now about our brother where they for Ghana. This man will be Nigerian, but they stay for Ghana. Don't commit suicide though. He don't kill himself on top of waiting. Some people say, they don't get patience for anything. This man where they live for central region for Ghana. We just hear say, meantime friend, what they call Uncle Aproko, say he won't go sleep. You know this their normal wooden structure house. Say he won't go sleep for there or make him rest. Now there the friend self leave him for there. After some days, they know they see this man. But for that area, they're going to see say fly. They plenty for that place. Now the friend can say, okay, be like saying one kind rat. I be something don't die for this place. But I say go there, the kind smell where they there, the thing shake down. You can say, this kind smell be like say Now another thing, because they find this rat, they no see the rat. Now there the man come call people say, it be like say something don't die for this place because they no see the rat. So maybe now another thing. They go call their assemblyman. You see as Ghana they coordinated, they go call this one. This it's in Nigeria. Call police. In fact, the person go even die, they rotten, they no go even come outside. But this man like this, as they call him, he just come outside. Now they break this door. They break this door. Now they see this man. The man don't die since, don't they smell. His body don't even they rotten, don't they scatter. They can't see note for the man's side where the man writes, things are hard for me. I want to go back to my country. There is no help here. Now waiting this man, right? That means this man they suffer through some things where be saying he don't even fit tell person. But I can't the reason them. What won't make you kill yourself? See, everybody need help for this life. Not be only you they suffer. Everybody need help. But you know rich say you go kill yourself. Say things don't too hard for me. If say you even go beg, collect some money, buy pure water they sell. You go make money now. This one way you can't kill yourself now. What thing you want help? And as you talk saying you won't go back to your country. This death now where you kill yourself. Now you won't carry you go back to Nigeria. Abi you know get family members so be say you go call say I beg go, I need money. Make na send me transport. This Ghana too hard for me. In fact, sometimes I think I'm say Nigeria self even better pass this Ghana where all of us they go. Make we forget the insecurity, say light day and good road day. But when it comes to expenses, to they spend money, if you don't get money for Ghana, hungry you go come out all your sweat finish. In fact, hungry go kill you. So this kind of man, maybe Naija ain't go. And some people, and I go travel, and I no go where opportunities dey. And I go sit down for one kind of village. You be say the king of that village say his neck be like cane. He never even eat for 1 year. And I go sit down just say na there, and I won't go dey work for. Or must go country where be say you know say if you sit down, if you no even see work at all, bricklayer work, so they do pom, you go see one work do. You can't go sit down for one kind of village say you need help. Who won't help you for that kind of place? Because the place themselves they never chop. Hungry self they catch them. You can't go sit down for just now. Now as it be like this, you don't die. What you want talk? Now rest in peace. But what I go advise now, make government find this man family. If they go no, make they try at least send him body, give him the last respect. Because I hear say police don't carry him go mortuary. Make they give him the last respect, carry him go in village, go bury him. Because in family feast still they think say in the Ghana they hustle. They no go know say their pikin abi their papa don't die for one place. As this matter be, it means say people they really suffer. Forget you go see say person don't travel go abroad, you go call him, bro, send me money because he dey Yankee. Forget some people even dey Yankee now under bridge they sleep. You will get opportunity to they manage. Me I not even they stress all those people where they are broke because some of them say now sufferness they suffer. It just be say the money that they pay them there, if you just they high small, then if they convert them, now make the money they plenty. And I go just carry na own wahala. Go they put on top of person head. But this kind of man as you need help, me I feel say this man don't already they depressed. Because people they vex say, if saying come outside, this thing went right now, if saying post them on top of social media at least. He go see some money gather. But they feel say this man, he get some kind things where they worry him. Where he no fit tell anybody. And he don't see and say, nah, killing of himself, now be the solution for this matter. So as he be like this, I no even know as I won't take even judge this kind of matter, making herself comment about him. Say now suicide now be the only option. At least call your family. People make now they call on our family to know about them, to check up on them. People they go through things where we say they don't feel open their mouth safe. Tell on her. As it be like this, now here I go drop this matter for now. Make her not forget to comment about this whole matter. Then make her not forget to like, share, and also subscribe. As I go see on her for our next story.